It's another beautiful Friday. I'm super excited to be here with you guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very beautiful Ankara hand fan. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll be so glad you did. Thank you for watching. I got this beautiful hand fan from Roban stores. Almost everything I used in making this video were all from Roban stores. You can get it in your local stores or ShopRite or anywhere too. So this fan was gotten from Roban stores. I'm removing the sticker on it because it's not necessary. Here are some of the fabrics which you can use in making your Ankara hand fan. There are so many beautiful fabrics which I'll be showing you guys the sample, but I intend using this one. This fabric is what I'll be using today for my Ankara hand fan. The scissors, the chalk, then this top bond. The top bond too was also gotten from Roban stores. So quickly we are going to start our hand fan. Starting our hand fan, well, I removed the sticker I used that was placed. Remove the stickers first so that the price tag won't be on the sticker. Then you remove your fabric. Please be very careful when removing it in order not to break the plastic stick on the hand fan. It's very fragile. If you're not careful, it can easily. I carefully removed everything. Now it's bare and it's ready for us to start work. So I'm going to be using this fabric like I said before. Whenever you are using your Ankara fabric, please always use where there's a very unique and beautiful design, so that whatsoever thing you're doing will stand out differently. Now you can decide to use the material or the stick to measure where to cut out, but for me, I prefer using the stick to cut it out. Now I'm placing it one after the other to get the shape I want. This place is always where the work is in making your Ankara hand fan. You gently need to put the lines in place and well, so that you won't make any mistake while cutting it. So as you can see, I carefully arranged it one after the other, bit by bit, to get that half circle. Sorry guys that the fan close to me was disturbing my work and all that. Please don't be angry. I promise not to allow that interfere in my videos. So now I'll be using a chalk. So now I'm going to be using a chalk to go around the circle, so that there will be a place for me to cut it out. Chalks have different colors. You can decide to use blue, pink, different colors, but I like using white because white is always coming out of the fabric, so you can be able to see it and cut it out properly. Be very careful when doing it. Place your other hand on top of the stick, on top of the handle of the sticker while cutting it, so that you won't be able to, so that you won't ruin the circle you're trying to create. It shouldn't be too big, it shouldn't be too small. It should just be the exact size of it, so that it won't spoil the end and the finishing of your work. So now I'm done doing the up part. Now I'm doing the down part of it. And as you can see, I'm still holding it gently. In making an Ankara hand fan, any little thing will just spoil your work, so please be very careful when doing that. Now I'm going to be using a scissors to cut it out all around. As you can see, I gently cut out where the chalk mark is on. So please, when you're doing it, be careful and cut it gently, directly where the mark is on, so that the circle and will show very, very well. And this is our half circle for our hand fan. As you can see, the design is already coming out very beautiful. It's no more looking like just a plain Ankara fabric right now. So now I'll be placing the sticks on it, so that we'll be able to cut out the small circle at the end of it too. So we'll place the hand fan on top of it, and gently, like I told you before, you place them on top of each other, just like the way we wanted to cut it out. So would you place it right now, so that we'll get that small circle out of it. So now, as you can see, I carefully put it one after the other, one after the other. I didn't rush. Please don't rush. If you rush, your work won't come out perfectly well. So now I'm also going to take the chalk again and mark it one after the other, one after the other, till the end, and cut it out. So guys, thank you for still watching up till now. It shows that you love me, it shows that you love my brand, it shows that you love everything I am doing. Please remember to still subscribe if you haven't. Also hit the notification bell if you haven't too. And please share my video. Give me a thumbs up if you love this video. I know that it's not the end, but I already know that you will love the video. So now I'm gently cutting out the small circle out of it, to make it look like the real hand fan and the way it's supposed to be. Please remember to also follow me on my social media handles. On Facebook, it's MIM'S TV. On Instagram, it's official MIM'S TV. You will definitely see more and beautiful videos from me. So now that we've cut out this part right now, our work is almost done. So now I'm placing the sticks down on it, so that we can be able to start putting our gums on it. So here too, you need to also be very careful. So gently I'll place it one after the other, one after the other, so that when putting the gum on it, it won't spoil or ruin the circle which we've already cut out already. I planned making this video very detailed so that you won't be confused. But please, if you are, leave a comment on the comment section. I will reply you back and also do a tutorial on it again if you also want it. Anything we are doing with Ankara, you need to be very careful. You need to be very, very careful. And remember, you can use this Ankara hand fan as a gift to someone. Now that everything is so dry and so boring, nothing is moving and all that, you can decide to use this Ankara hand fan and gift your mom. This is the heat period, so anybody you give this as a gift will definitely appreciate it. You can even do it as a gift for your children, for your grandma, even for your husband too. So please be careful when doing it, so it won't just look as if it was just done from just to you, so everybody will be surprised that you got it from somewhere else. Now, as you can see, I placed my material on top of it. I haven't put the gum on it, I just placed the material on it. Now I'm putting the top bond on it. Now I'm using my brush. Sorry, I just took one of my makeup brushes so that I'll be able to do it very neatly. You can also decide to use a stick but I feel the makeup brush will help me more and make it more neat. So I'm using one of my makeup brushes that I don't use anymore. So now I'm putting the top bond on each of the plastic sticks. Don't put too much. If you put too much, it will take more time to dry up. When putting, just put a little. And that is how I now covered that side. As you can see, I gently did that so that it won't spoil. And that is how I'll also do it till the end. So now for the last one I didn't put it on because I need to put that one underneath that side so that when folding it, it will fold properly. So now you turn it over. As you can see now, I turned it over, so I'm about to put the gum on top of that part. So now I'm gently putting the gum on it. Remember to also have a small material or rag or foam or something that you can use to always clean the excesses that come out of it. And now I'm placing the fabric on it. Please gently watch how I did that. I didn't do that like every other one. This particular side, I placed it underneath it so that when folding it, it will fold all around. As you can see, I'm bringing out the excesses that came out of it. That's why I said you need a rag to always be around you, or a small foam. So gently clean it out so that it won't come out or it won't be noticeable. So now I'm cleaning the place where I work so it will also be clean. You can also decide to use other gums too, but for my Ankara hand fan, I prefer using top bond for it. Now we are going to leave it to dry, but make sure that everything is being placed properly so that when it gets dry, it will still be firm and beautiful the way you want it to turn out to be. If you fold it like this now, it's going to spoil, so we have to leave it to get dry first, very dry, before we now fold it. As you can see, I can't even fold it properly well, so you have to leave it to get dry. So now see, it needs to be flat, and we've dried it up. Yes, we've dried it up right now. This is the end look of it. I hope you like it. Yes, I hope you love it. I promise to bring more beautiful Ankara crafts for you guys. Keep on watching. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for watching. Bye. I love you.